Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see friends' activity on Instagram. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram app. And once you're here, you need to tap on the heart icon on the top. And here, you'll get to see your notifications. One thing you should keep in mind is that Instagram doesn't notify you about your friends' activity anymore. Previously, you could see exactly what your friends were doing on Instagram. But now, because of privacy concerns, Instagram changed their policy. So you will only get notifications when someone likes or comments on your post, or anything that is related to you. Otherwise, you will not be able to see what your friends are doing on Instagram. Another way that you can see what your friends are doing is by going to your homepage. From here, if you scroll through, you will get to see your friends' likes on posts. One thing you can do is go to your profile on the bottom right corner and then go to following. And then open up the profile of the friend whose activity you want to see. So as you can see, I'm on my friend's profile. Now tap on the bell icon on the top. From here, you will get to see some options. So turn on all of these options below notifications. Now, you will get notified every time your friend makes a post. After that, go back and open another friend's profile. From here, I'll open up a random post from them. Now, if you scroll through, you will get to see this message that says like by on different posts. This is another way you can check your friends' activities. So that is how you can see your friends' activity on Instagram. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.